Safety Toolbox Talk number 324. SOP for Scaffolding. 1. Purpose. This SOP outlines the safety procedures and requirements for erecting, modifying, and dismantling scaffolding systems. 2. Scope. This SOP applies to all employees, contractors, and subcontractors involved in scaffolding activities at company name, facilities, construction sites, or any other locations where scaffolding is being used. 3. Responsibilities. Site supervisor/manager. Ensure scaffolding is erected, inspected, and dismantled by competent persons. Ensure all workers are trained and follow safety guidelines. Scaffolders carry out tasks as per the SOP, wear proper PPE, and follow safety procedures. Safety officer. Perform regular safety audits and inspections of scaffold structures to ensure compliance with safety standards. Workers. Follow safe working practices, wear appropriate PPE, and report any unsafe conditions. Four. General requirements. Only authorized and trained personnel shall erect, modify, or dismantle scaffolding. Scaffolding must be inspected before use and periodically thereafter by a competent person. Scaffolds must be erected on solid, level, and secure footing. Scaffolding should be inspected for structural integrity, and necessary maintenance should be carried out immediately. Work from scaffolds must be performed safely, with proper fall protection when necessary. 5. Procedure. 5.1 Preparation. Ensure that all personnel involved in scaffolding activities have received proper training and are familiar with this SOP. Ensure scaffolding materials are in good condition, free of defects, rust, etc. Conduct a site survey to ensure the scaffolding will be erected on a firm, level surface. Mark out areas to avoid unauthorized access. Erection of scaffolding. Step 1. Prepare the foundation by ensuring a solid, level surface. If necessary, use base plates, sole boards, or leveling jacks to ensure stability. Step 2. Assemble scaffolding according to the manufacturer's instructions. Follow the sequence provided and secure each component as you go. Step 3. Secure vertical components, standards, to the base and ensure planks are properly aligned. Step 4. Ensure that guardrails and toe boards are installed to provide fall protection. Step 5. Double-check that all parts are securely fastened and the scaffold is level and stable. 5.3 Inspection. Pre-use inspection. A competent person must inspect the scaffold before use, checking for structural stability. Daily inspections. Conduct daily inspections to ensure the scaffold remains in good condition. Periodic inspections. Perform detailed inspections at regular intervals, especially after severe weather or other events that may affect scaffold safety. Modifications and maintenance. Do not modify or move scaffolding without approval from a qualified person. Replace damaged or defective components immediately. Ensure that scaffolding is kept clean, and all materials, such as tools, debris, are removed regularly to avoid tripping hazards. 5.5 Dismantling of scaffolding. Step 1. Ensure all personnel are clear of the scaffold and the area is secured. Step 2. Dismantle the scaffold in reverse order of erection, starting from the top. Step 3. Carefully remove and store components to prevent damage. Step 4. Inspect the area to ensure all parts of the scaffold have been removed and that the site is safe for work. 6. Personal protective equipment, PPE. Hard hats, safety footwear, fall protection, harnesses, lanyards, etc., gloves, if necessary, eye protection, high visibility clothing. Seven. Safety considerations. Fall protection. When working at heights of 6 feet or more, fall protection systems must be in place, such as guardrails or personal fall arrest systems. Overloading. Do not exceed the scaffold's weight capacity. Ensure scaffolding is designed to carry the load of workers, tools, and materials. Weather conditions. Work should not proceed during extreme weather conditions, e.g. high winds, storms. Always assess weather risks before working at heights. Electrical safety. Maintain a safe distance from power lines. Ensure scaffolds are not erected near live electrical hazards unless de-energized and locked out. 8. Emergency procedures. In the event of an accident, immediately alert the site supervisor and emergency personnel. Follow emergency evacuation procedures if necessary. Provide first aid if trained and needed. Nine. Training requirements. All personnel involved in scaffolding activities must undergo training and demonstrate competence in erecting, inspecting, and dismantling scaffolds. Ongoing training must be provided as needed, especially when new scaffolding systems or components are introduced. 10. Record keeping. Maintain records of all scaffold inspections, maintenance, and training activities. Document any incidents or near misses involving scaffolding for future analysis. Thank you.